Hi guys, TB here. In this video I want to show you how to use the environment map. So the environment map is used to simulate lighting on the object on the entire scene, but in this case we only have the model, and it will literally reflect, it will simulate the reflection of the light from imagine like a sphere or cube around the model, and all those pixels are reflected into in the model. And if you just look here at the top, there is this white lighting. So this is coming from the environment map. In this case, the environment map is said to be used as just for lighting, is not used as a background. But to show you how this works, you see here right now the environment is set to neutral. So this is a script generated environment map that I programmed to show here on the model. It's not an .exr file is not required here, and let me show you how it looks. So right now, if I set it as a background, it will still reflect the light, but if you look here at the top, see the light is coming from this white squares, from the squares to the direction to the element. So this is why we have this white here. If I remove it completely, you will see that the object is almost dark. It's like there are some small lights here from the I don't know how to explain this, from the ambient light and the directional light. But other than that, the environment map is not doing much. So let's show you another one. This is an actual .exr file. So you see here, this is the environment map in the background, and if you check here, it's actually reflecting in the object. See? So here is the sun. At some point here we will see the sun. Where is it? I don't know, I can't find it. Anyway, it's here somewhere, but I can't find it. It should be here. Look, it's here. Look, here it is. It's just that it was in the way. So this is how they work. You can see that it's directly affecting the color of the object. So if I choose a different one, you see the object is looking completely different. And if I'm not using a background, you will see the difference here even better. So let me choose this one. You see that it's looking different. It's a warmer color. And now this one, see? So you'll have to choose a good environment map for your model in order to look for this to look good. A few other things that you can do here, for example, if you want to use this background, you can also blur it, and it will add this kind of gradient background effect. And you can also increase the intensity to make it even more to pop up even more. There are also some tone mapping features here to change the actual color style of this. I like to use the ACS Filmic one, and this is by default used by 3GS, so I guess is the best one. But you can play with this and find one that works for you. Okay. So to add this in your project, again, I'm working with the start HTML file. Just go into the environment map section, and here when you see env map source, set the source. If you want to use the neutral, just set neutral. I just show you what it does. If you don't want any environment map, you just leave this empty. And if you want an environment map, just add the path to it. So right now I will show the file in a moment. I have an .aexr file in this folder, and it's called this. So let me open this. I'm not sure exactly where it is. Here in the build folder and environment maps. So I'm using the Venice one. See? So this is the file. Now I have absolutely no experience about how to create these files, so I don't know how to tell you about this part. But once you have the file, and there are a lot of them, all of these that I have here are free. I'm not sure about the website that I use to I think Polyheavens. Let me see. So yeah, here they're all free here. I think there's, I'm not sure, but I think there are some that you must pay for them. But this, for example, is free. You can download it here, and you can also choose the size. Now it's very important to choose a good size. For example, if you are using the model as I'm using it here, let's choose this one. You see that this is 1K because I'm not using it as a background. So in this case, I don't really care about how it looks, how the actual environment map looks. I'm sorry, I haven't spoken English in some time. So I don't care about the looks of it, I just want the light from it. So it doesn't make any difference to have an 8K or 1K file. The larger the file is, it will affect the performance, so the browser performance, because there are a lot of pixels that have to be calculated to render. It's complicated behind the scene. So choose the one that you think it's good for you, and if you like the color tone and the way it looks, and always go for the lowest quality possible, except when you are using it as a background. So when you are using it as a background, then this is, for example, 4K. You can see that it's already looking much better. The performance is still good, but actually the performance is perfect. There are 60 frames per second, but it's still about the size. So one file with the 1K size is much smaller than a 4K one, so it will load faster. And anyway, I think I'm talking too much about this. You know what I mean. Just choose the one that works for you. And if you see a drop in frame rate, please note that sometimes when using this you'll see a small drop rate to 56, 55. That is not important, because this tool is not always showing the correct values. I also done some performance improvement tweaks, and it's normal to have these small drop frames. If you see something like 40, 30 frames, then there is a problem and you need to address it. Either improve the model or improve the environment map. So I forgot to tell you about the tone mapping exposure, so you can tweak this as well to improve the lighting, but it's best to keep this at 1 as it was. I think it's 1, I'm not sure. Actually, I see it's 0. Oh, it can also be negative. So yeah. So this is how the environment map, I'm sorry I cannot pronounce this correctly, works. It's a very important feature of this product, because it adds a touch of realism to this file. Let me show you something. Not here. Here it is. I have here a file, I think it's plain. I'm not sure. No, it's not plain. Let me find it here. I didn't finish the demo pages while I'm recording this, so this might look weird. Let's search for the environment map. I think this is the one. So in this case, for this plane, I used a 4K environment map. It looks amazing. See? With the sky and the clouds and everything. And it has the same features here. This is just a tool. It can be removed. You can just, for example, blur it and it will look different, and change with these parameters, make it more apply more to the plane, and the model, also exposure and stuff, and you can make it something darkish like this. So there are a lot of options to play here to make it look exactly how I want it to look in your project. Okay, I think I spoke enough about this. Thank you for watching, guys.